Yeah.
You know, see the man over there so well open. If you know, say, soon they're going to pay money better all of my money. Why them boy you play ball like them the boys? A joke thing. Boy, Natty. What the whole on the ground up there so far? A street ball you not play? Boy, Natty. What the whole on the ground up there so far? See the goal down here, so. Hey, what go on, Spider?
Yo, Skidder, me have a job for you.
Bro, now chop a line again, brother. I'm done with that.
Yo, Skidder, you want to make money or not?
Okay, just this once and then me out.
This is 30 million we talking about, big man.
Seriously? Are we gonna say Spider?
You want to make money or not?
What you say? 30 million? So white cow.
She overseas, and this one is an elderly lady. Easy one, too.
Okay, Spider. For 30 million, we will go and play with it. When you want me call her?
Call her around the regular time for drifters. We can clean out that account, yeah, easy.